you remember that we also learned about convection?
Yes, it is another method of heat transfer which occurs due to a difference in the density of the fluid.
Well done! Can you think of applications of convection besides air conditioning and boiling?
Hot air balloons!
Yes, that's a good example. Do you know how it works?
Not really, but I do have a feeling it has got to do with the fact that hot air rises.
Your intuition is correct. It works by convection current. You see, the burner at the bottom of the balloon will heat up the air. As air gets heated up, it expands and the density is lowered. As such, it rises to the top of the balloon. The cold air at the top of the balloon will then sink to the bottom. A convection current of the air is formed and the air inside the balloon will be hot. Since hot air is less dense than cold air, the hot air balloon will then rise to the sky.
If that is the case, wouldn't the hot air balloon keep rising up?
Well, you can always control the heating. Hot air balloon pilots are trained to maneuver the height and directions of the balloon.
By controlling the heating system?
Yes,
Amazing!
indeed.